Hello everyone, this is Lungile Mdanyana, your digital literacy skills coach. On this video I just want to show you how to open a YouTube channel and upload videos. Okay, first step, you need to have a Google account, and then you must log in on your Google account. After you have logged in on your Google account, you will see that icon with the first letter of your name, and when you are moving your mouse pointer on top of the icon, you can see your first name, your surname, and your email address. And then next to the icon on your left, there are Google Apps. There's a Google Apps menu. When you click on that menu, there's a lot there. There's search, there's Maps, there's YouTube Play, Google Drive, all of the Google Apps. You'll find them on that menu. So you just click on YouTube. And then after clicking on YouTube, you will be on this page. And then on this page, still you can see the first letter of your name. And then as you are moving your mouse pointer to the left, there is an icon with a video and a plus sign, and is labeled create. You click on that icon and then you click on upload video. And then after clicking on upload video, you then select the video from your laptop or from your phone. You click select, or you can even drag and drop the file, and then you click on the file that you want to upload, and then you click open. After you have clicked on open, the title of the file will appear here, so you can edit the title. Let me say digital library 2020. I'm just making an example, and then you can then type the description of the video, and then you can notice that here there is already a link for your video. So there is a link for the video that you are uploading. Okay, you can type the description if you want, or you can leave it blank, but you can never leave the title of the video blank. You have to type the title, and then you come here and click next. Okay, and then there will be questions here. You need to answer these questions. Is this video made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids? Okay, I'm gonna choose that one, and I click next. You can see there it's uploading 27%. Okay, I need to wait for the video to finish uploading. It's at 31% now. So you can see now that it has uploaded, and now it's processing. It's at 95% processed. These are all the processes that the video will take to finalize. Okay, and then you can see the finished processing. Now you're supposed to see your video here. Let's give it some time. And now we can see that our video appears in this area. It's 3 minutes 49 seconds, and then there is a link. To share this link, you can just click on that icon, which is copy video link. So if you click on copy video link, the link will be copied, and you can paste it on your Facebook wall, you can post it on Twitter, or you can even send it as an email. And then you can click on next. After you have clicked on next, you will be in this page. Again, click on next, and then you can just click on publish, and then your video will be published. You see, you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Blogger, or you can just click on close. Then the video will appear under the list of all the videos which you have uploaded on your YouTube channel. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.